Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a guest design team project for MindBarretty. I used the Jane's Garden journal kit, which is a digital journal kit, so I will link that below, so please go over and check it out. Loved the kit. It's very feminine, very pretty. So I've done a soft cover. I've used a clasp envelope and I inked the clasp envelope up using I can't remember what it's called now, let me check. It's called Gathered Twigs, that's what it's called. And I used the distressed stain on that. Then I Mod Podged on one of the pages from the kit on the front and the back, but you can't really see the front now because I've then covered it over. It is a real pretty page. Then I put some music paper, this image here. I've used a lot of flowery images as well, which were in my stash, so I've used them throughout and they coordinate, I think, coordinate quite nicely with the kit. There is some cheesecloth here, there is a heart there, there's some pink seam binding, which I dyed this using my gelatos. There is a couple of layers of lace there and lace here. We've got this rosette trim on the spine. There is 3 signatures. There's 168 pages front and back. So let me crack on and go inside. If I don't get it all in a big knot. So as you can see, there is some crocheted trim on the edges there. I've got bead dangles, well, not actually bead dangles, just beads on the end of the waxed linen here. So all the main pages are from the kit, and if anything else is just, like I said, stuff from my stash. So as you can see, the papers are very pretty. I've done some corner flips, which of course, yeah, nearly glued down. I've got some of my own homemade tags and just used some general ephemera that I have in my stash. This is from the kit, and these were just little things I found on Pinterest. Made some paper flowers, and we've got some pink cheesecloth on there. This crocheted trim, music paper, and I've just got some ephemera in there, and it's all stuff that you would find in a garden, I would think. Bees and butterflies and flowers and all sorts of different things. So we've got a flip here, which is also a corner tuck. We've got this stamped image here of a hummingbird, some ephemera, a doily, and some tickets and butterflies there with some not seam binding, eyelash trim. A doily, paper bag, lovely image from the kit. Here I've just made a flip out, and inside there's a tag. You can journal inside there. Just paper clipped on some ephemera. And this little card here is from the kit. Some Edith Holden book page, squared paper. As you can see, the beads on the end here. Just some more ephemera in here. So there's lots of places to journal, lots of ephemera to write on the back of. That's also a pocket. Paper bag and a doily. Another flip up, flip down. Here we've just got a tag and some ephemera. Some lined paper. Some more ephemera, just paper clipped on there. Music paper. Here we've got another corner flip. And some ephemera. A tag. This tag is from the kit. And a little journaling tag there. Onto the second signature, we've got an envelope there with some ephemera, tag, and little journaling card. A little library card. It's a very pretty page. This is just a whole A4 sheet of paper folded in half, folded up, cornered over to make this tuck. It is opened at the top as well, so you can tuck things behind, but you can also tuck things inside there. And then we've got that tuck there and little journaling card inside there. That's open, so you could actually tuck something up in there as well. Another corner flip with a butterfly and a ticket. This is from the kit. Just some ephemera. Journaling tag there from the kit. That's been backed onto some white cardstock. Another 2 little beads. Journaling, a journaling card there. Another journaling card tag. This says "Stop, smile, breathe, life is beautiful." This will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. Journaling, piece of ephemera. Again, this is another one of these, only it opens the other way and you can tuck something inside there. Edith Holden, piece of ephemera. Oh, there's 2 pieces of ephemera in there. An envelope pocket there. And this is from the kit. Here I just made a pocket using some squared paper and some book page, and this is a little quote, I think they're quotes or poems from the one of the Edith Holden books. I'm not sure which one it is. I've just put some lace here and this little flower. There's just a large tag inside there. And that actually is a double. You can put something in the pocket and behind it. Some more crocheted trim on the edge. Some ephemera and a bird image there. Edith Holden. Got a little flip up, flip down. Also a pocket. These are one of these little flip out things that Terry Wood does. And yeah, I'm struggling to put this together, this one. It's because my arms are stretched around the tripod-y thing. Oh, see, it's not working. There we go, let's try again. Oh, I'll sort that in a minute. Got a tag in the back there. Oops, wobbled the camera. Some butterfly ephemera. Some more ephemera and a little tag. More beads. The wax thread wasn't long enough to put the beads in, so I just tied a little bit in there, and the piece that was left over has been cut short, and it just sits in there nicely because it is waxed. Some more ephemera, just paper clipped in. A tag. A little journaling card, another tag, and again this is one of these flip outs. Let's see if I can put this one back together. It might help if I was stood. No, I'm not going to be able to do this one either. What's wrong with me today? Alright, I'm just going to leave that and come back to it. Need longer arms. another flip up, flip down, pocket, the tag, and some ephemera. A lovely page from the kit. Now, did I leave that? No, did I cover that up as that? It was on the front as well. I knew it was somewhere else in the kit. In the journal, I should say. So just a little journaling card, some birdies on there, and another pocket that I made. And this image here again is from Edith Holden. I've just put some crocheted trim and this heart on here, a large tag, and the pocket's been made from some squared paper. And that is the back. So that is the journal. So like I said, the link will be below to MindBarretty's the Jane's Garden kit. So please go over and check it out. And also my Etsy link will be below if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.